Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, two functions in one video, text before and text after. Two clean ways to extract text on either side of a delimiter, and they pair up beautifully. 4 real examples coming up. First up, text before. Charizard's record string in column M reads 006 pipe Charizard pipe fire, comma, flying, pipe, Gen 1. We want just the ID at the start. Type equals trim, open paren, text before, M3, which is the record string, comma, then our delimiter in quotes, a single pipe character. Close both parens, hit enter. The text before pulls everything before the first pipe. Trim removes the trailing space. We get 006. Clean ID extraction in one formula. Next, text after. We're after Blastoise's generation, which is the last segment of the record string after the third pipe. Type equals trim, open paren, text after, M4, which is Blastoise's record, comma, then our pipe delimiter in quotes, comma, then 3 as the instance number. Close both parens, hit enter. The 3 tells text after to skip past the third pipe specifically, not the first. Everything after that pipe gets returned. Trim cleans up the leading space. We get Gen 1. Pick any segment from any delimited string. Now the pair together. We want the name from the middle of Alakazam's record, which sits between the first and second pipe. Type equals trim, open paren, text before. The first argument is text after of M8 with pipe as delimiter, which gives us everything after the first pipe. Then back to text before, comma, our pipe delimiter in quotes. That trims off everything after the next pipe. Close all the parens, hit enter. Trim removes the surrounding spaces. We get Alakazam. Text after plus text before equals between. Last example, the tricky one. We want the primary type from the record string, but some Pokémon are single type, like water, and others are multi-type, like fire, comma, flying. Type equals trim, then if error. The first try, text before of text after M12 pipe 2, looking for a comma in the segment after the second pipe. For Feraligator's single water, there's no comma, so text before returns an error. If error catches that error and falls back to the same text after, but this time, text before looks for a pipe instead, grabbing everything up to the next pipe. Close all the parens, hit enter, we get water. One formula handles both single-type and multi-type Pokémon cleanly. So that's text before and text after, two simple functions that replace nested left, right, mid, and search formulas with clean, readable code. Use the instance number to target the nth delimiter, combine them to grab text between, wrap an if error for edge cases. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your text before and text after formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.